Okay, let's start again.
Okay, start again. Yeah, it is the premium number, and I will put this one. I want to make that one.
Okay.
So now I will start here. Okay. Then I call 22 inches.
22 inches.
Yeah.
We're making a piece of coping. Oh, they're all 22?
Yeah.
Okay.
I already cut the.
You already cut it out? All right, go ahead. Good, 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 good. So that's 22 inches.
I'll make sure. Yes, 22 inches.
22.
Right?
Okay, yeah. That was cut on the Schechtl shear. We're going to make a piece of coping. This is a Schechtl.
I need a coping.
Yeah, coping. Today they're making copings with the brake. Okay,
Coping.
very nice. These are the other parts we made today.
And then the color. Color.
Excellent.
The color.
Very nice.
Downspout.
Can you do the same program but dry? I just want to film it on here. No metal. This is what you can just do the same thing. Just go through the process. I just want, okay, just like that? Okay.
This one?
Yeah. Do each stage. Cycle it with the foot pedal. You know what I mean? Go through it without metal.
If you want to open manual control, it's not working.
Okay.
It's just manual. You go to manual.
Okay. Okay.
Manual. Okay. So I can move it. The manual.
Yeah, you're doing it in manual.
Manual.
I wanted to see it without the metal in it.
Another one.
Just what's on the screen.
The other program. If you want another program, I will show you.
Something harder. Yeah.
This one.
Okay, that one. Okay.
I will play now.
Can you just step on the pedal and make it go?
So, okay.
Okay. So
I gotta cut the.
So yeah, stretch would be 7.65. Okay.
And then
Just right. I go ahead and just do a dry run. Dry run. Okay. Okay. That's it. That's one part.
that is
Okay.
this fashion.
I got you. All right. That's good. That's all I really needed. It's got the
No problem. Perfect. I know. I work more than almost 15 years here. I no problem.
No problem. Okay, fantastic. Any questions? Give me a call at 1-800-753-0393.